First up, the Massey Ferguson MF5S series. This is not just a tractor, it's a dairy and livestock farmer's dream. With 3 models to choose from, each boasting the iconic saber styling, this series is as stylish as it is functional. Its agility is unmatched with a 13-foot turning radius, making it perfect for those tight turns in the barnyard. The MF5S combines economy with comfort and control, offering a wide range of equipment and options for all applications. With hydraulic systems tailored to your needs and up to 29 GPM flow, this tractor is built to tackle farm challenges economically and efficiently. Next, the Valtra S series tractor. Designed for the demands of modern agriculture, this series comes in 4 models, ranging from 270 to 405 horsepower. What makes it stand out is the blend of power and comfort. A spacious cab ensures maximum visibility and comfort, while the 4.4-liter Tier 4 final AGCO power engine delivers power efficiently. The streamlined hood and Massey Ferguson's all-in-one after-treatment system enhance its efficiency. Plus, with Valtra's smart farming technologies like GPS guidance, this tractor is a futuristic farming companion. Moving on to the Vermeer Bale Hawk ZR5 self-propelled baler. This machine is revolutionizing hay harvesting. Imagine baling at speeds up to 12 mph, with the ability to pick up bales from any direction. The Bale Hawk ZR5, with a 74 horsepower Tier 4 final engine and hydrostatic drive, is all about efficiency and convenience. Its automation, zero-turn capability, and quarter-turn technology make baling not just easier, but also a lot more efficient. Then there's the Rabaud Stump Grinder. It's not just a stump grinder, it's a powerful solution for tree stump removal. Equipped with a heavy-duty cutting wheel, it grinds stumps up to 12 inches below ground level. Its compact design and safety features like the protective shield and safety switch make it a reliable and safe choice for landscapers and farmers alike. Last but not least, the Homer Terra Fellis 3. This beet cleaner loader redefines gentle and efficient harvesting. With a 950 m pickup width and 15 mm transfer loading range, it's designed for maximum efficiency. The patented Homer pickup system, allowing for adjustable cleaning paths and intensities, is a game changer. And with the largest cab in its class, automatic folding, and Dynafill system, it's not just efficient, but comfortable too. First up is the Nio Technologies TED. This autonomous agriculture robot is a testament to sustainable farming practices. Imagine a world where mechanical weeding is done without herbicides, and that's exactly what TED offers. With an 8-hour autonomy, farmers can schedule weeding at their convenience, making it a flexible solution for modern agriculture. Its universal mounting frame is a stroke of genius, accommodating various tools like finger hose and serrated discs. The cherry on top, the GNSS compass by Advanced Navigation, delivering unparalleled heading accuracy and motion sensing. TED is not just a robot, it's a farmer's ally in precision agriculture. Next, let's talk about the Neuen Magnum Quad Train manure tanks. This isn't your average manure spreader, it's a powerhouse in waste management. Capable of handling a staggering 15,000 gallons of manure, its unique coupling system allows it to function as efficiently as a single spreader while offering the capacity of multiple tanks. Its robust undercarriage, designed to be the strongest in the industry, ensures durability and adaptability to various terrains. Safety is paramount, with features like a protective shield and a safety switch. This machine is a game-changer for large-scale farming operations, transforming manure management into an efficient and less cumbersome task. Moving on to the Terrasem Pattinger, a marvel in seed drilling technology. Engineered meticulously from the drawbar to the rear harrow tines, it represents the pinnacle of precision in seedbed preparation. Its compact disc harrow, tire packer chassis, and optimized coulter rail are designed for uniform seed placement. Versatility is a key feature, making it suitable for a variety of crops, including maize and sugar beets. The patented Puttinger pickup system allows for individual adjustment of the cleaning path and intensity, ensuring optimal soil conditions for each seed. Smart farming technologies like GPS guidance enhance its utility, making it a must-have for modern farmers. Lastly, the Solmec 50x35. This machine is a powerhouse in the recycling industry. Equipped with a robust engine and available in models ranging from 35 to 45 horsepower, it's designed to handle the toughest of materials. The Solmec 50x35 shines with its spacious cab offering excellent visibility and comfort, crucial for long hours of operation. Its versatility is unmatched, capable of dealing with materials from scrap metal to wood and even port cargo. The patented Solmec pickup system allows for customized cleaning paths and intensity, ensuring efficient and effective handling of various materials. First, the Bobcat Sand Cleaner. This isn't just any beach cleaning machine. It's a marvel of engineering designed to keep our beaches pristine. Imagine a machine that can sift through sand, removing debris as small as cigarette butts, maintaining the beauty and safety of public beaches, private resorts, playgrounds, and more. The sand cleaner boasts features like hydraulic depth control, adjustable up to 20-some meters, and a hydraulic bucket discharge. Its removable grids, ACD control for full cab control, and a back blade for a smooth finish make it incredibly versatile. Plus, with features like a diverter valve, auto-lubricating bearing seal, and maintenance-free operation, it's not just efficient, but also user-friendly. Next, the Grimsea 260 Potato Harvester. This machine redefines potato harvesting with its gentle and efficient approach. Equipped with a robust engine and capable of harvesting up to 6 rows of potatoes at once, the SE260 is a game-changer for farmers. Its compact design makes it maneuverable in tight spaces, and safety features like a protective shield and safety switch ensure secure operation. The patented Grim pickup system allows for adjustable cleaning paths and intensity, tailored to different potato varieties. Plus, with smart farming technologies like GPS guidance, the SE260 brings precision and ease to potato harvesting. Each of these machines represents the pinnacle of innovation in their field, designed to make tasks more efficient, safer, and environmentally friendly. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from the world of advanced machinery.